Hi, in this video I'll show you how to simulate cloth in Blender. Let's start. The goal is to cover this cube with plane. Go to Add Menu, and from Mesh Add Plane, at the right corner press on Z and navigate to get top view. While selecting the plane, press S and increase the plane area. Move the plane to be above the cube. Change the mode to Edit Mode. Right-click the plane and select Subdivide. Repeat Subdivide step twice, and at last go to the bottom left menu and change the number of cuts to 10. Change the mode to Object Mode. Select the cube and from Physics add Collision Modifier. Select the plane and from Physics add Cloth Modifier. Play the animation. When the plane take a good shape, stop the animation. Right-click the plane and select Shade Smooth. Go to Modifier and apply the Cloth Modifier. From Add Modifier, add Subdivision Modifier. Change the Level Viewport to 2, then apply the Subdivision Modifier.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.